In a world full of content, only those who tell their story with power of high impact, emotion, and driven content get remembered. You don't need just a video, you need a visual experience that grabs attention, builds emotion, and sells your vision.
Think about it. You have got the vision, idea, and script, everything, but the edit
You are putting out, they just aren't making sense, not suitable with this modern AI world.
at Naimo Media Verse. We don't just edit videos.
We turn your raw clips into high impactful, engaging stories that make people feel enjoy and clickable.
It's brand ads, promo, content creator, short reel, or corporate visual. We craft each frame with purpose. Perfect cut, green skin, cinematic color grading, crisp sound design, and storytelling that drives result.
Because great editing isn't about transition, it's about connection. Because feelings matters as much as visuals.
A good video doesn't just look good. It sells, build trust, and boost your brand presence across every platform. Our framework is simple. We take your raw footage, enhance emotion through precision edits, add rhythm, motion, and flow.
Then optimize it for maximum reach and engagement. So, ready to scale up your brand with high impactful videos every second?
Let's build your story frame by frame.